Let's see the back here. What? Oh wow, this is cool. You have a changing pad in the back of a diaper bag. What? What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we got another diaper bag from this company called Nananino. So they sent us this for review, and today I'm gonna just go unbox it and see what's different compared to all the other diaper bag we've been seeing. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, so let's open this up. It came with a plastic bag, and you can actually seal it back on. So this is good for recycling, I suppose. You can always keep the bag if you don't need to use it, just put it back into the plastic bag. Alright, so aside from just the diaper bag itself, they do provide you with a little cushion. A little U-shaped cushion. Alright, we'll look into that in a little bit. Alright, so we got the blue one, and this one, from the look of it, it can stand up by itself. It provides you with stroller hooks where you can put it onto your stroller if you desire to. So this will come in handy. You don't have to buy them separate. It's just come with the bag. And of course, if you don't want to put it on there, you can just take it out. It's pretty convenient. And also has a strap on the back. Adjustable shoulder strap. They do provide you with a slot where you can put your cell phone in. Yeah, it's pretty deep too. So moving to the front. The front pocket, you can put stuff in here. Let's see what else they have. Second slot. Oh, cool. So let's see. All right, they are insulated bags here for your milk bottles. 3 of them. So this is pretty convenient. And also they have a bag right in front of it, so you can put milk bottle related items in here as well. And on the side, this can be a tissue holder where you can put tissue and then the tissue paper will come out this way. And this one, you can put water bottle in here. So, well, adults have to drink too, right? So let's look what's inside. So they come with a, let's see, this looks like a mat, but we're gonna see what it does in a little bit. What else do they have? More mesh bag in here, more bottle holder in here. But this is not for milk bottle, this is more so for your adult water bottle if you so choose to. They do have a one slot for the back. It looks like it can fit a laptop or a tablet. So we're gonna try that in a little bit. There's a big zipper on the back where it's started from the bottom all the way to the top. All right. Whoa, check this out. This is pretty cool. All right, it takes a little bit of fiddling, but it stands by itself. Yeah, this is where this bag is very unique and different than other ones, because they provide you with a changing table right in here. Isn't that cool? All right, so the pillow, you can put it inside here. All right, so the length of this changing table is actually 70 centimeter, which is roughly about 27.5 or so inches. All right, so let me get some baby materials ready to kind of show you what or how much can go inside here, and to show you how to use this diaper bag. All right, so here are all the stuff that we usually take when we go out with a kid. So let's try to put everything in here to see if they all fit. Now, starting from the front, there is a pocket here. Now, I mean, you could put your wallet or butt cream in here, but for the sake of just showing you what we normally do, I'm just gonna start out with where we put the milk bottles. A lot of different type of diaper bag varies, but normally an 8-ounce milk bottle might be a hard time to get into those bags. But this one, you can fit a 8-ounce in here perfectly. And let's see, the little one, definitely you can, and then a different size milk bottle. So, as you can see, the 8-ounce milk bottle goes in here. Voila! So yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, not that many diaper bag be able to handle a 8-ounce milk bottle. Okay, let's move toward the inside. Now, in case our kid gets a butt rash, definitely need to bring a butt cream. So the mesh bag inside the bag will come in handy. Wallet, if you have one, so you can just put it inside here. It will fit, and then change of clothes. Usually we'll bring like a couple of t-shirts and a change of pants. And the diapers, normally we bring 3. If you have disposable, you can bring more, but we use reusable. This take up some space. But let's see if it fits. Yep. Sometimes if you have to do some work, then you can bring your laptop in this diaper bag. Oh, see, it fits a regular size laptop. Now, if you have a tablet, this pocket right here will definitely fit. Now, let's see what else we can bring here. You definitely probably have to bring a toy in case the kid wants to play with. So here we go. Side pocket here. The left-hand side has a slot where you can put your Kleenex box, or in our case, we want to put a baby wipes in here. Now, granted, normally the baby wipes come in smaller size, but we got this from Sam's, so it typically is much bigger, but it fits as well. On the right-hand side, this one doesn't have a slot here, so it will fit a water bottle just fine, like so. Okay, and then we can close the front. Now, let's move toward the back. There's a slot here for your cell phone. Here's a cell phone. Still got space in here, so you could put your wallet in here as well, your valuable stuff in the back. Let's open up the changing table. Ta-da! Now, as you can see, like my changing pad and the pillow is still out. The reason being is that you could actually put inside where the changing table is. So here you can put inside here, and then the pillow you can put inside here, and then zip it up. Yeah, so everything fits. Anyway, so let's talk about the changing table real quick. The way that you set this up, you will need to make sure the tubes are connected. And there's, toward the center, that's where the connection happens. So you need to pull one side of tube in here for it to connect. Now the way to unhook it is to see this opening here. You can just pull on this tube until this will become undone. Then you can fold it up. But for the sake of this video, yeah, this is how you set it up. And then you have your changing pad here. See? This is pretty sturdy. And then you have your pillow. I have a toy here. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this changing pad is 70 centimeter long, and that's equivalent to 27.5 or so inches. So as long as your baby is within that length, then you can put your baby in here for diaper change. Yeah, there's plenty of room for you to change the diaper for your baby. So yeah, this is pretty cool. All right, so here you have it. This is our review of this particular diaper bag from Nananino. So this one is really cool. Personally, I think this is very unique. I haven't seen any of this type of diaper bag before, where you can have the bag come out. All of a sudden, you can turn to a changing table. If you have to change your baby's diaper in the middle of nowhere, then this diaper bag is for you. It can fit a lot of stuff. Especially, I can fit a whole laptop into the bag itself. So that way, if you're out and about and you have to do something work-related, you can bust that laptop out and then do some work while you're at it. There you have it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.